Good Sunday, everyone. This is meteorologist Dave Snyder at the National Weather Service with Alaska's statewide weather. Periods of rain still working through south central and into the eastern part of the Gulf now. As we continue moving toward next week, we expect to see more rain moving toward the Panhandle, and some of that could be heavy, especially around Yakutat into the northern entrances of southeast Alaska. Rain still moving around Bristol Bay and over Kodiak Island this hour. We'll see several more waves coming in from southwest Alaska and across the Alaska Peninsula as Pacific moisture continues working into the southern third of Alaska. Watch for periods of rain across the interior as well. The National Weather Service office in Fairbanks monitoring that for us this afternoon and this evening. And we're seeing showers and thunderstorms across the northern parts of Yukon. There is low pressures also working just along the northern line of the Alcan border and points east. Tonight, watch for showers across the Brooks Range. It's going to start getting cold enough for areas of snow to form. We're going to watch that especially Monday night into Tuesday, and our friends from the Fairbanks Weather Service office are telling us that there could be as much as 1 to 2 inches of snow in some of the higher terrain in the eastern Brooks Range. Now, low pressure is working down the Yukon Kuskokwim Delta, and as that drops southward a little bit more, it's going to reinforce the moisture flowing in across south and western parts of Alaska. Places like Nome and the Kobuk and Noatak valleys are still going to see some light precipitation as we start up your Monday, and there's a possibility that there could be a lightning strike or two, mainly ahead of low pressure working through the middle Tanana Valley as we get into Monday afternoon. If we get any breaks in the cloud cover, there could be just enough sunshine to really add a little bit of extra oomph. So a few showers and storms are possible, mainly across the eastern interior again as we go into Monday. Elsewhere, it's just plain old garden variety rain, some of that a little bit heavier than other places. Around the Prince William Sound region and eastward again, heavier rainfall could develop as cooler and drier air swings across the western Gulf. That could bring a break to rainfall across parts of the Cook Inlet and Kodiak Island region. High pressures working back across the southern Bering Sea. 1,026 millibars there. Watch for a more settled period to start the week for many along the Bering Sea coast, with areas of fog and stratus, of course. Showers will still be possible across the western coast of Alaska, and look for fog across parts of the Arctic coast, and again with some overnight snow for the central and eastern Brooks Range. A look for areas of warmer air to lift northward across the western parts of the Bering Sea as we start up early next week. With Alaska statewide weather, this is meteorologist Dave.